Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here and I really don't know if it's raining outside. Tyler, pull up the volume. Now that I am coming on, that's the first thing that came to my mind because it's rained all day yesterday here. I couldn't even take Tyler to training. It's a brand new day here though, and my husband left us. He left me with the kids, girl. Here, me and my girl. You guys, babe left me and the kids. But don't worry, he'll be back. Babe leave me for a little bit. He have to be somewhere with his colleagues for a day and a night. So I'm holding things down here with me and the kids. But he left us all alone.
Mama,
Cry.
I thought I don't cry.
What? That's not true. Everybody in the world cry. My son is hilarious. Anyway, you guys.
Everywhere.
Did you say morning?
Good morning, friends.
No, they don't see you. Go put that in the thing and come and do it properly. So yeah, babe left us, and there's so much things going on right now. Go for your step. Go for your step. You guys, I'm showing you something that happened to me this morning. Say good morning to the face. Tella is not 100, is no stuffy, but the fact that he stayed home yesterday. Now that I'm talking about that, let me give him some medicine before he go off to school. He stayed home yesterday, so that kind of conditioned things a bit. He's a little bit better than he was yesterday. I want to give you one spoon.
Yes.
I'm gonna give you one more. So I'm giving Tyler some medicine so that way we can head out. I'm going to drop him to school. No babe today, so you guys won't see babe today. It's just me and the kids, but don't worry, I have something special for you guys. Tyler and I filmed a few days ago that I'm gonna show you guys after I finish this intro. But I said earlier that I have something to show you that happened to me this morning. When I go to the supermarket, babe and I always pick up this big pack of milk whenever we see it, because we use a lot of milk in this house. This morning I went around the back for milk, and look what I pull out of the pack. 2 bottle bursts, and in there, I mean, they were empty, but there was nothing in it. No milk, nothing. And another thing, Sarah woke up this morning and decided that she's going to school. She wants her school bag on her back and she's ready to go to school. Come, show Faves, and she won't take this bag off her back. So look who is going to school. Say morning, Faves. You're going to school? Alright, you have your bag on your back? Alright.
Mama.
Ready?
Mama. Yes. This one thing. Sarah could go to school without her school fees.
That's true, but she's just well, she thinks she's going to school, but she's not really going to school, right? So she's not really
Mama,
going to school.
Can I really put fake things
No.
in there? Like
Only your pacifier can go in there right now. Anyway, come tell Face bye-bye.
Adios.
Anyway, you guys, I'm going to go drop him off to school right now and be back and get into my routine. But look at the two of them going down the street. This is what September morning is going to look like. She don't want to take off the bag. She insists on wearing this bag. She going to school. Oh my god. Can anybody spot my kids? Look at them. Can anybody spot my kids? Hello you. Hello you. What you two doing in here? You're too funny. You need to come get ready for school. Look at them. All my workout stuff. Tell her, be careful the horse and you can't go too fast. Take time. And Sarah is loving it. Look at their happy face. Sarah. Ah. Oh my God, I can't. She loved the foolery. Oh my gosh, look at him.
I invented this train ride.
Take time. You're going too fast.
Terminus.
She ready to get out, Ty.
C'est pour ça que j'ai dit terminus.
Oh, she wanna get back? C'est parti. Choo-choo. Choo-choo-choo. Sarah said choo-choo. This reminds me of my childhood. Look at them being innovative. Oh my God, they're too cute. What's she singing?
Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. She's singing freight train.
Okay.
Terminus.
She like, no, I'm getting back in there.
She's happy. Mama, when I get back, can you leave this on this floor, please? Like that we can continue playing. Choo choo.
Is the happiness in her face for me?
Attention, terminus.
Bye bye, Sarah. Choo choo. And she said choo choo, Tina.
England. And you know what? Which city we're going?
Careful the ball.
We're going at London.
Oh my gosh.
Terminus, London.
She ain't getting out.
Prochain arrêt, Paris. Attention au passage secret. Attention au passage secret. Il faut aller sous.
Oh no, no, oh my gosh. She's up to everything Tyler is up to. Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night.
Hi.
Say hello.
Wagwan, mi dai a pani casa.
Yeah, yeah.
Papa.
Oh my God. Honey, say hello to the faves.
I can't say hello when I have a little boy like this crying. Hi guys. You see that boy? You see that boy? Him, the little man. The one that is under 1 feet. The dwarf.
Chilling at Papa to defend.
Yes, he's using his defense that I teach him on you. Defense time. Babe.
I don't know that. I know that they did the champagne. And you know what?
I'm too strong for him.
Do it and on the floor and this eye.
In short.
You guys, I ordered my Jamaican goodies from my Belgium girl, America in Belgium. If you guys want to order Jamaican things and you live in Europe,
I'm coming out. I steal the packet.
Ow!
the box will cut you, Tyler. Be careful. So we are gonna discover. Babe don't have no idea what I ordered. So let's discover what's in my
Jamaican
bag.
My banana chips. My banana chips.
You should go here and I should show
Go.
you slowly.
But I know what I ordered. Papa
What
gonna
we
give
have
it.
here, we have some banana chips.
Sarah, come, chips.
We have like
Chips, come up
4
here.
packets. St. Mary's, that's what
St.
you like.
Mary's the best brand for me. Everybody love their own brand. I'm a St. Mary's chips kind of girl. Come, sit. Come up.
What is that? Is
Peanuts.
peas for rice and peas?
Bigfoot.
Yeah, peas. It's for rice and peas?
No, it's not peas, it's peanuts.
You should have.
I've been trying to find peanuts everywhere I go and I can't find it because I want to make peanut porridge, and Vanetta hook me up. Thanks, Vanetta. You want it? Oh la la.
Look what we have. We have. No, you give us what?
She wants to open.
We have Bigfoot.
It's me that wanted it.
Tyler wanted Bigfoot.
So how many packs for Bigfoot?
I
we
don't
have?
remember how many packs in
There
there.
are
Just
like
put them
4
down here.
packs of Bigfoot.
Sorry, it's
5
banana.
packs.
But look, Sarah, only come for the banana chips and gone. Can you guys see her?
A lot
It's
of
a
Bigfoot.
more banana chips.
More banana chips.
We have some cheeses.
Yes.
Is this?
Yes.
Is
Yeah.
this?
Push down the box a little bit more. Bammy for the win.
We have bami. How you get bami?
What is
Hey.
Bammy.
You don't know what is bammy, but I've been craving bammy. I haven't had bammy in
Not a
years.
fan.
I don't think baby's a fan of bammy, but I shall make
The
it.
guy
a fan.
shy. I don't get the bami.
I have to make
Oh, we have
bammy.
some mac and
Not
cheese.
bammy. Kraft mac and cheese. No other mac and cheese come close. Craft it up.
Ooh.
Sorry! My Christmas
Oh,
is complete.
We have 2 packs of soil.
and more cheeses?
A
Where's the other
3
pack?
pack of soil. We're gonna have a good Christmas.
We
What do we
better.
have here? We have Scotch bonnet sauce.
Yes, girl!
What is
Hook
that?
me up with the hot pepper sauce.
Aki and Sophie.
No, that's not Aki and Sophie.
It's just
What
the
it
Aki.
is.
Aki.
It's just the
The
Aki.
national
We'll have the
fruit.
saltfish here.
Is the national what?
Fruit.
Oh, and it's also the national?
Bell.
Dish.
Bell.
National dish.
Bell.
You know what's Jamaican national bird? Babe? So what kind of bandul or something this with no
We have
Yes,
supper
what
jam.
is this?
That's a surprise. That's a surprise.
So how this a supple gen with no
That's a
label? I
surprise
don't understand, Vanetta.
That's a surprise. You test it and whatever it is.
Vanetta, make it make sense.
No, it's a surprise.
Yes.
Can I surprise Vanetta said
Last
here?
things in the box.
Festival mix! Where the rest of the supple gen?
Under here.
Give me my supple gen,
Can
yeah.
I drink one?
Not now, sir. You want one now?
Yeah.
No, Tyler is not cool. He's not good. He's not cool anymore.
So chips in the box. Another box.
She didn't hide anything. No surprise.
How much Aki?
5, 6.
Alright, those are all. My Christmas is okay. As long as I get my bammy and my sorrel and my festival mix. Christmas nice. Me get supper gen. See one here, pole tie. Jamaican goodies. I know you're up on the Gaza tie with all these Jamaican goodies. What's your favorite out of everything here?
I have two. One.
Okay. Banana chips and supper gen. Okay. Alright, what's my favorite? Oh, everything! Everything!
No, your favorite is double chain.
Absolutely. Absolutely! Anyway, thanks, Vanetta. I got all my goodies, girl. That's where I'm ending today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the bits and pieces that I had to show you in today's vlog. Comment down below and tell me what item in the Jamaican box was your favorite or is your favorite snack from that box. I know we Jamaicans have a lot of favorite snacks and have a lot of snacks that we love, but from everything that we showed you in the box, tell me which is your favorite. And don't worry, you guys won't miss Babe, because by the time Babe return, it'll be Monday's vlog, so you guys will see Babe on Monday for sure. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If for something to try, be sure to subscribe right now and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love and appreciate every single one of you. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Sarah, come tell Fizz bye bye. Come here. Say bye bye, Fizz.
Bye bye.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.